Yeah, that's what happens when you forget your lace, huh?
My wife was hurrying me up.
You gotta take it off your shoe.
I was actually leaving, so before she put me to do something.
We're missing the shoelace for the parachute, so he went ahead and took it off. Shit. Let's see that bad boy. Let's see that bad boy.
All I know is how to make power, baby. I tell you, it's all I know.
There you have it. 859, 860 is what it made on that second pull, I believe. You should have seen Andy like take like 5-step backs every. Once it hit like around 4,500, that was a couple steps back.
Shit, I was like behind the white car. I was like, 12.5 pounds, man. Yeah, I don't know how I looked from the outside, but it was pretty rowdy.
Was it? You should see the. That was only should have been commanding around 11 or 12. I bet it made 13.5. Huh? Did it make 12.3? Yeah, okay, that's pretty consistent.
Hey, what was my injectors? Where are they at?
You just drive it, baby. Let him do his work, okay?
Shit, we ain't got that much.
You got it.
Hunter, hurry up.
Ah, there you are.
Hey, how high do you want us?
We need a responsible person right now telling us how much we can put at it.
Yeah, how high do you want us to push this thing?
Do what?
How high do you want us to push this thing?
That thing's good to like 30 pounds, man.
Oh my God. That was 12 pounds.
Put it at 30.
I'm fucking testing you.
Do 15 now, and then we'll ramp it up to 18 towards the end. I'll probably be the last pass.
Yeah, I know.
I think that's good. They'll probably make pretty good power at that. Just in case everyone's wondering, this is our engine builder, Hunter from American Speed Shops.
American Speed Shop. He built mine with more love than Juan's, just to let you know.
It makes 50 cool more cheetahs.
Ah!
50 cool more cheetahs!
Tell you, baby.
Can we get more cool cheetahs in it?
Can you put the cheetah tune?
Alright, so we bumped up the boost just a little bit to about 15 pounds. See if we can get a little more power out of it. We'll check out Andy's reaction too.
How you feel?
Yeah, it's pretty funny how we do way worse than this going down the track on full power, full send, and it doesn't bother us one bit. But when we're outside the car and listening to it climb up that high, it's pretty nerve-wracking, pretty nerve-wracking.
much boost.
Oh yeah, Andy doesn't have his passenger seat, so Solomon's been having to crawl in.
Show them what I've been fucking dealing with right there.
What's that feel like in there?
Fucking horrible. He gets a fucking chair at least, dog. My legs are going nuts. That was Andy, man. 40?
Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Just give it a hair more.
And then there's that.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so too. Horsepower Club, baby boy.
Yeah.
Great job.
I'm about to look at it right now.
Great job, dude. Great job. 1,000 Horsepower Club.
2013.
Not bad. Not bad for still. For
17 pounds. 1,000 horsepower.
We still got some room there, dude. Yeah, we still got some room there.
Might have just. Hey, guess what? The head's in the lift.
Yeah, what
And
is
there's not a hole in the head. You try to find one there?
No, it's 1,000. It's 1,000.
Brought to you by American Speed Shops. That's it. We're gonna wrap up the video here. Welcome to the 1,000 Horsepower Club. Andy, great job. Solomon, Caesar, everybody, thank you for the facility. And yeah, badass. Now we can finally say 1,000 horsepower Ratrod. Boom. There you have it.
Shout out to Caesar.
Yep. Shout out to Caesar. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. All right, now we got to go put this new power down at the track, baby boy. Shatter that 8.9.
Yeah, for real, right?
Do you got what it takes?
You have the things on there stuff?
You got them down there?
Have you seen this motherfucker?
We saw the TPS on the 8.9 run. We saw that.
There's no space in it. That goes. Once he goes in, he locked that knee. He going nowhere.
He knows, right?